Tricia, I found your string trimmer in your garage,
Good.
and I've heard of attachments for these things, but what's the deal with this?
Well, you know, jewelry cuffs are all the rage this year.
I don't think this is a jewelry cuff.
Well, no, but it is a really nice cuff, and the purpose for it is protecting tree trunks.
Okay, well, if it's to protect tree trunks, what is it doing on the string trimmer?
Well, what I do is, as you can see, with all this great rain we've had, unfortunately, I've also had a bumper crop of weeds.
Yeah, you're getting behind here a little bit.
I am, and I love to, frankly, I like to pull them by hand because then I know I get the roots. But when it's this much out of control, I've got to do something drastic.
Okay.
So, as you can see, I cut the top and the bottom off of this juice bottle. And with an opening like this, I can wrap this around this little tree and protect it.
Boy, I tell you, I've seen string trimmers get too close to a lot of different kind of plants, and really doesn't look good, and I guess kind of a way that diseases can get in there.
Absolutely, it mars the tree, and it definitely leaves it open to disease. And this way, with this protection around it, the trimmer can get right up to it and get rid of all of these weeds before they go to seed.
Great idea.
You know, the other thing I want to tell you about is also, we don't leave it here. I take it with me for the next time you come over and help me out.